Voice is personal. It carries emotion, trust, and identity. But what if you could scale your voice across platforms and across languages without being in the room? Welcome back to Marco Insights, where we unpack tools and trends that are shaping the way businesses grow. Today, we are diving into something futuristic yet already in use: voice cloning. Voice cloning uses AI to create a synthetic version of a person's voice, capturing tone, pitch, accent, and even quirks. All it needs is a short voice sample. But let's go beyond how and discuss about who is using it and why it matters. Let's first discuss about big businesses, how they are using voice cloning. Number 1. Media and entertainment. Netflix, Disney, and gaming studios have started using voice cloning to localize content while keeping the actor's original voice intact, just speaking a different language. Example, an English show dubbed in Japanese, but it still sounds like the original actor. The emotional connection stays intact. Number 2. Customer support and chatbots. Companies like Vodafone and KLM Airlines are using voice clones to give their AI chatbots a consistent human voice. Friendly, branded, and 24/7 available. It's like giving your brand a voice, literally. Number 3. Advertising and voiceovers. Brands like Coca-Cola and Nike have tested cloned voices of celebrities for
पिछले
ad
4 मैचेस में
localization.
हमने हर बार बॉलिंग पहले की है और हर बार जीते हैं। बैटिंग हो या बॉलिंग, हमारी टीम तूफानी परफॉर्मेंस ही देती है। Keep believing in our boys.
It's fast, scalable, and still sounds personal. Now, how small businesses can use voice cloning? You don't need a global budget to tap into this tech. Here is how small brands like yours and mine can use voice cloning today. Number 1. Product demos and tutorials. Instead of recording 10 different how-to videos, just write your script and generate audio in your voice. Running Instagram ads or YouTube shorts? Just clone your voice and drop it into 100 different content pieces. Consistent branding, zero stress. Number 3. Multi-language content. Now, this one is big in India. Let's say you're making a reel in English, and with voice cloning and translation tool, you can deliver the same reel in Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, and many more languages. It's like multiplying your reach without recording again. Let's review Pop-Up AI's voice cloning tool. Here, when you go on the site, it's pretty simple to use. You can simply go to voice cloning feature. So let's just click here, clone your voice. It could be language. You can choose any of the language that you want to. They have a lot of options. So let's say we'll select English and okay. So they will give you a text that you have to read out, and you can press start recording. And I'm going to press clone your voice and it'll generate. So now let's find out.
The seventh muse is where elegance meets comfort. We design intimate wear for women who choose themselves first, bold, unapologetic, and deeply in tune with their bodies. Whether you're lounging, hustling, or owning the night, the seventh muse moves with you. Because confidence isn't something you wear for others, it's something you wear for yourself.
Imagine the seventh muse having an audio tour narrated by me without me having to say a word. It's that easy. Try out this tool and let me know how you liked it. Voice cloning is powerful, but with great power, yes, you know the drill. So always use it ethically. Never impersonate others. Be transparent if you're using synthetic voice in public-facing content. Remember, voice cloning isn't about replacing you. It's about giving you multiple ways to reach out a diversified audience. For creators, coaches, solopreneurs, and startups, this is productivity, personalization, and performance rolled into one. And tools like Pop-Up AI, they are not just making it possible, but effortless. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.